Welcome everyone to German Tool Reviews. Today we have the Martor 122001 retractable safety utility knife. Martor is one of the many knife and blade manufacturers based in Solingen, Germany. Solingen has been referred to as the city of blades and has been making high quality swords and blades for over 2,000 years. An interesting fact is that even though it is a city, Solingen is actually a registered trademark. In order to mark Solingen on a product, it must not only be manufactured in the Solingen industrial area, but it must follow a strict set of standards that are outlined by the Chamber of Industry and Commerce in Verpatel Solingen Rimpschild. Most of the requirements have to do with following a specific ISO DIN manufacturing standard, HRC hardness levels, and roughness of the edges. I will provide a link to the document detailing the requirements for those that are interested. As you can see from the box, Martor loves the use of pictograms, and I don't blame them since it is a truly international product. I will show the meaning of these throughout the review. The reason I bought this utility knife is that I seem to have misplaced the knife I usually use for opening boxes, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to try one of these Martor knives. Alright, so let's unbox this thing. I really like how they went with a cardboard box instead of a blister pack. Much easier to open and recycle. Inside the box we have the knife and instruction sheet. Taking a look at this instruction sheet, it has the typical safety warnings and instructions on how to use it in just about every language you can think of. Seriously, I think this may be the record for the longest single sheet instruction manual. If you go to the Martor website, you can download the official technical datasheet for the product. I was quite impressed with the amount of information and quality of the datasheet, as technical datasheets are often not available for hand tools. A big thumbs up to Martor for providing this technical information. I would also recommend visiting the Martor website if you're interested in some of their other products. It is probably the best designed tool manufacturer website I've seen to date. Onto the knife. It uses an aluminum shell with the black portions being a rubber-like gripping surface and the blue pieces made of plastic. The locking mechanism is a latching toggle button that you push through the other side. The lock and unlock symbols correspond to the action that occurs when you push the button. The ergonomic handle is designed for both right and left-handed use. The handle contains a spring-loaded lever that extends the blade as you squeeze. As you can see from the blade, this is an intentionally small blade with only a 12mm extended blade length and 9mm cutting length. It has a purpose of opening boxes and cutting long sheets of material, so it's well suited for this job. According to the datasheet, it is designed for the following example cutting materials: 2-ply cardboard, plastic strapping band, tape, material on a roll, yard and corn, and textiles. Let's show you how the primary safety feature works. As you put pressure on the blade, you will hear a click. At this point, the blade will automatically retract once pressure is released from the blade. In this mode, the blade will retract even when you have the lever fully depressed. It takes a little bit getting used to, but once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad. To replace the blade, you first have to put it in the lock position. Next, push the black button towards the rear of the knife that will release the lever. Swinging it outward, there is a small hinge cover used to hold the blade in place. The blade is also held in with a small magnet. These are Martor number 92 square blades. The good thing about this blade is that you actually get 4 uses out of it, 1 for each corner. The datasheet indicates that the blade number 192 will also fit this knife, which is a stainless version of the number 92 blade. Martor does have a blade recycling program in which you can buy a used blade container, part number 9810, fill it up and mail it to your local Martor office. They will in turn send you back a new used blade container that you can fill up again. A great service that helps keep the razor blades out of trash cans and landfills. At the time of this review, you can pick up the used blade container for about $10. Well, that wraps up the review of the Martor 122001 safety utility knife. Check out the link in the description below to the full review, including additional high-resolution photos not shown here. If you like this video, subscribe for more reviews of German brand tools.